In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a dispute on Alibaba. This process can be incredibly helpful if you need to address an issue with a transaction or communication on the platform. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Alibaba's main website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Alibaba's URL, or simply searching for it on a search engine. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all the necessary features you'll need for this process. Once you're on Alibaba's homepage, your next step is to locate the Help Center. This is usually found at the bottom of the page in the footer section, or you might find it among the options at the top of the screen. The Help Center is an invaluable resource for resolving any issues you might encounter on the platform, including disputes. After you enter the Help Center, you'll want to focus on finding the option labeled Open a Dispute. This section is specifically designed for users who are facing issues with transactions, whether that be a problem with the product, the payment process, or other transaction-related concerns. Once you click on Open a Dispute, you'll be prompted to specify the nature of the dispute you want to address. Take your time to carefully choose the appropriate category that most closely matches your issue. This could range from problems with the quality of an item to shipping concerns. Accurately identifying the issue will help expedite the resolution process. Following this, you need to decide whether you want to file a new complaint or manage an existing one. If you have ongoing issues that you need to keep track of, managing a complaint might be the right choice. However, if this is your first time encountering such an issue, you'll likely want to start by submitting a new complaint. If you find yourself in a situation where there's been a violation of Alibaba's rules by a seller or even a buyer, but you haven't actually engaged in a trade with them, Alibaba offers a protocol for this as well. You have the option to submit a report for this kind of scenario. This is particularly useful for maintaining a safe and trustworthy marketplace. It's crucial to provide as much detail as possible in your report to aid the review team in understanding your issue clearly. And that's it! Following these steps, you should be able to successfully open a dispute on Alibaba and initiate the process of resolving your transaction concerns. Remember, addressing issues promptly and providing clear information will always work in your favor. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.